Hello guys, I'm recording this with my phone. This is my new Surface Pro 2017. This is the second unit. The first one I already returned it because I have some problem with the screen. It has a few dark spots. You can see it in my other video that I already posted in my channel. You can check it here. This is a brand new one. I already checked the screen, it has no problem at all, but today I'm facing another problem with this adapter. This adapter is making a noise from inside. While you're charging, the noise becomes much louder. If you want to hear the sound from it, I'm gonna put the mic near to it so you can listen. Okay, that's the sound from inside this adapter. I don't know if this is normal or not. I'm afraid this adapter will affect my my Surface Pro maybe in a few months later. So I really need your opinion about this, if this is normal or not. Thank you for watching this video.